Okay.
Yeah, so it will help us for future reference. So we were talking about IAS 40, right?
Yes.
That is
Mm.
International Accounting Standard number 40, investment property. And
Yes.
we can just, you can just write that the standard is applied in the recognition, comma,
Mm-hmm.
measurement and disclosure of investment property.
Okay. Done.
And that you need also, you can add, you can write
Mm-hmm.
NB.
Mm-hmm.
NB, then you say biological assets related to agriculture. Biological assets.
Mm.
Assets related to agriculture.
Mm-hmm.
Activity
Mm-hmm.
and mineral rights
Uh-huh.
and mineral reserves such as oil,
Reserves.
mineral reserves
Oil.
such as oil, natural gas,
Mm-hmm.
and similar non-regenerative resources.
And similar.
Regenerative resources
Uh-huh.
uh, uh, you have written biological asset related to agriculture activity and
And
mineral
mineral
rights
rights.
and mineral reserves
Mm.
such as oil, natural
Yeah.
gas, and similar non-regenerative resources
Yes.
is not is not catered for by this standard.
Or is not catered for.
Is not catered for. Like there are things that when we hear them,
Mm-hmm.
the standard of IAS 40 does not apply to them.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You have gotten that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we want to say like the following. There are certain terms we should know about this IAS 40. So you can just write a definition.
Okay.
After writing definitions, you can write
Mm-hmm.
definition number one is carrying amount. Carrying amount.
Amounts. Okay.
Carrying amount.
Mm.
And say that is the amount at which an asset is recognized in the statement of financial position. Do you know the statement of financial position?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So carrying
See,
amount.
Kitambo we used to call it. Kitambo we used to call it balance sheet.
Exactly. Exactly.
So we say
Carrying amount
is the amount at which an asset is recognized.
is is the amount at which an asset is
Mm-hmm.
recognized in the statement of financial position. Then we have another one. Another term is cost.
Ndogo tu.
Oh, sawa sawa.
Mm. So the second one is cost.
The second one is cost,
Mm-hmm.
and you can say it refers to the amount of cash or cash equivalent. Just write cash. It refers to amount of cash paid,
Mm-hmm.
amount of cash paid, or the fair value of other consideration, or the fair value, or the fair value
Mm-hmm.
of other consideration,
Yes.
of other consideration given to acquire an asset. Given to acquire an asset
An asset.
at the
Mm-hmm.
time of acquisition or construction. Another one is fair value. See, we have talked about their fair value. Now let us know what fair value is, right? Fair value.
Okay.
So fair value is the actual value. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Yeah, fair value always refer to the actual value of an asset. So you can say it refers to the actual
Mm-hmm.
value,
Okay.
or you can say is the price that will be received to sell an asset or paid to transfer a liability. So you can say it is the price that will be received to sell an asset or paid to transfer a liability in an orderly transaction between market participants at the measurement date. Are you able to read through the lines?
Mm,
So is the
let me try.
I can just, if you are struggling, you can just let me know so that I help you get it very correctly.
Paid to transfer liability.
Paid to transfer liability in an orderly transaction.
Or in
Eh,
an orderly.
orderly transaction. You can just leave it at that point. Hakuna haja kuongeza hizo ingine.
Okay.
The next definition is investment property. So let us know what is an investment property. We want to define it.
Mm-hmm.
Investment property, uh, there kidogo.
Okay.
So investment property is either land or a building. Is either land, it refers to a land or a building or part of building or both. Land or building or part of a building or both,
Mm-hmm.
held by held by the owner or by the lessee as a right of use asset. I'm going to explain the lessee.
Mm-hmm. The leasing.
Uh, or by the lessee as a right of use asset.
A right of use asset.
You can close the bracket there, like held by, wake a bracket before you buy,
Before buy. Okay.
then close it immediately after asset.
Okay.
Then you can say to earn rentals, like see nyumba, if you have a building, see it will bring rentals, right?
Yeah.
So to earn rentals or for capital appreciation or both, rather than for use in production. So umefika wapi?
Capital appreciation or both.
Or both, comma, rather than for use in the production or supply of goods.
Mm-hmm.
use in the production or supply of goods or services or for administrative purposes.
I'm there.
You are there.
Mm.
Rather than you, rather than for, you have written use in the production or supply of goods
Or services,
or services
or for administrative services,
or for administrative purposes.
or purposes.
Uh,
Okay. I'm there.
comma, like you see, you know, you are highlighting some point like where investment property cannot be used. It can
Yeah.
not be used in use in production or supply of goods or services or for administrative purposes or sale in the ordinary course of business.
Also, we were the first point was
The first point was
rather than use in production,
rather than use
or supply of goods or services,
uh,
or for administrative purposes.
mm, mm, administrative purposes or sale in the ordinary course of business or sale in the ordinary, like now itiyo gi ot ni iuse maybe kaka duka.
Mm.
That one is not like that one is not how it should be used according to IAS 40.
Oh.
Then another thing after writing that is
Mm-hmm.
owner occupied property. Owner occupied property.
That is number 5 now.
That is definition number 5.
Owner occupied property.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
then you can say
Mm-hmm.
refers to the property held. Refers to the property held for use in the production or supply of goods or services or for administrative purposes.
Use in the production or supply of goods.
Is refers to the property held for use in production or supply of goods or services or for administrative purposes. Are we good up to there?
Allow me, nimepotea kidogo.
Oh,
Refers to property held by
refers to property held by held for use in production or supply of goods or services or for administrative purposes.
or use in production or supply services or for administrative
Or for
purposes.
administrative purposes.
Okay.
Yeah. So classification of property as investment property or owner occupied property. So investment property, it can also, you know, when you check the definition of investment property and you check owner occupied property, you see
Yes.
is property held for use in the production or supply of goods or services. Like it is the opposite of investment property. Sijui kama umeona hiyo.
Yeah, they're somehow related. They're somehow similar. I don't know. I don't know how I can differentiate the two.
The two, for example, unaona investment property. Investment property is used only to earn rental. Like it is investment property is either land or building,
Or part of a building,
or part of
or
a
both.
or both, to earn rentals or for capital
Yes.
appreciation. Like for example, land unajua ukinunua, for example, maybe umenunua 1 acre at 2 million. After some years
Yes.
itakuwa appreciate.
Yes.
So that is where we are talking about capital appreciation there, or both. So the reason as to why maybe, for example, you may have an investment property is either for earning rentals, or
I've seen the difference.
you have seen the difference. That is right now.
So for investment property, it is a land or building or part of building or both held by the owner or lessee as a right of use to earn rentals or for capital appreciation, or both.
Rather than
So when I come to owner occupied property,
are you seeing rather than?
I'm seeing rather than.
For. So you see those rather than, those two.
Those are the ones that belong to owner occupied property.
Exactly, my friend.
Now I can see the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you able to read also from your side? Read my, like you are able to read my screen.
Let me try.
Ingekuwa hivyo, like ingekuwa sawa, you can just screenshot the notes. Hebu jaribu kuzoom, then uangalie kama unaweza zisoma.
Let me try. So I start with investment property.
So though unajua when you screenshot it utaandika vitu mingi, ndio is what I'm avoiding. I don't want you to write so many things that are not even necessary.
Yes.
Or even you check, like ingekuwa tu acha tu to just make it brief and understandable as we get along.
Okay.
Yeah, so are we done with that part? Si umeelewa hiyo part?
Yeah. Yes, hapo nimeelewa vizuri.
So let's go to classification of property as investment property or owner occupied. Si hiyo tumeelewa. Acha ni receive call ingine hapa kindly, just 2 minutes. Hello Aika. Hello. Yes. Oimore. Ariyo maber mana in. In kanye? Nindo in town? Donge mapenjo ni in town? Koro in kondele koso gine. Dong kiny ambe anindo but Tumaini koni. But kinya mondo nitie japiko moro kiny kawa ka by gimoro 6 adicha. Gimoro 6:30 kanyo. Koro ka mano nyalo yudi ka to onyalo ting'o wa kwadok. Mano koro ingime tem. Dong kiny monda. Tema kiny mondo by saa achiel oyudi kisechopo dong. Direction. Si unajua ukiwa Kasaweno, like utachukua pikipiki wapi? So unajua hapo Mbeme, hiyo barabara ni moja tu, like unaenda tu naye venye inaenda hivyo hadi pale inaitwa Orlando huko. Kuna daraja ingine hapo. then from sasa ukifika hapo Orlando huko utauliza tu hiyo barabara ni moja, utaambiwa kila mtu like hapo watu wanajua penye maisha iko. Kikiduogi amako simbini osiepa nikech ang'eyo gima akono uni an gi klas ma apuonjo ng'ato apuonjo ng'ato kama koro bende yani internet owang' nikech mae wifi haina shida, naelewa. Sasa have a good night. Sikupati vizuri, unanisikia wewe? Unasemaje? Unanisikia? So unasemaje? Itakuwa tu interview, so we kuwa tu ready to just carry your your papers na usitense, hizo ni vitu kidogo. Hata hao watu wenye watakuinterview ni binadamu tu. Salary range hapo utasema tu between 13,000 to 16. Between 13 to 16 hapo. Good night. Welcome. Umeumia wifi maja ya puonjre gine. Timore kamara ang'ini koro ndakore osiepan but en ng'ama winjo. Nyako no to koro gocho na nang'o but odhi interview moro kiny. Maisha dwaro jopuonje. Koro a connect gi gin osiepena. Ing'e Christine? Christine en japuonj. Ibiro temo. Yes, Aika. Hello. 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 Hello, brother. Hello. Hello.
Morning.
Yes, yes, bro.
Hello.
Yes. I'm sorry, I lost
Where?
network no bedo gi shida matin.
Onge tabu, naelewa.
Aseduogo osiepa mos kuom mano.
Onge tabu koro. So you are going to classifications?
Where were we? Yeah, so hapa kwa classification we just want to see.
We were supposed to move.
So unajua hapa they're just saying what we have said up. For example, they are saying investment property is held to earn rentals or for capital appreciation or both. See that one we have talked about hapo juu.
Yes.
Therefore, an investment property generates cash flows largely independently of the other assets held by an entity. So you realize that Investment property, which is like example of investment property in land and what? And building.
And building, yes.
Or part of a building, right?
Mm.
Or both.
Yes.
So, like they earn income without even being combined with anything. Sijui unasikia like land sasa, kama land
Eh,
si ni hivyo tu, like ina generate to income without being added, sijui value addition, sijui nini.
yes, naelewa.
Like that is what they are trying to say there. Like they mean that therefore an investment property generate cash flows largely independently of the other assets held by an entity.
Okay.
This distinguishes investment property from owner-occupied property. So we have realized that owner-occupied property is used for ordinary businesses. For example, you ingi more you check your ala in. Like
Yes.
now you combine that your house with the ala is when you can generate income. Sijui kama unapata.
Yes, yes.
But you know when it is a rental, after building it, you just after somebody has got get in, you will be just be waiting for money.
Yeah, yeah.
The same to land. Land after you purchase, like you own land, you can sell that land and get money without even adding anything to it. Unaona?
Yes.
So that is the difference between the two. So maybe we can just check here. The following are example of, so just write examples of investment property apart from land and but I'm just seeing at a building that is vacant but is held to be leased. And they are just made like it is like, remember we talked about building and what? And land. So
And land.
upper those two have been splitted, like I'm seeing they are around 5. So they have been splitted to get to nini to so that they sum up to 5.
Okay.
Yes. So we have number one. Number one is land held for long-term capital appreciation. Are you able to read
So
them?
this one, for example, let me ask you something about examples of investment property.
Yeah.
Apart from land and building
Yeah.
or part of a building
Yeah.
or both, is there any other?
Like even if you check the ones that we want to write,
Uh,
they are only talking about building and land. Like they have just splitted them. Otherwise, let us just stop it there. Hata hakuna haja. Hakuna haja.
unless,
Eh,
yeah,
eh, eh.
unless maybe if they would have maybe another name. For example,
Yeah,
maybe
yeah,
they
yeah.
would call it maybe classification of
Yeah.
investment property.
So it's just the two things, land and building now, but splitted, like they have just added words there.
Okay.
So we were talking about investment property. It is, remember we were referring to it as International Accounting Standard number 40.
Number 40.
So in standard accounting number, International Accounting Standard number 40, it states that that standard, we said that it states that when you check it, like it states that it not it state, it is applied during recognition, measurement and disclosure of what? Of investment property. So when we talk of recognition, remember what do we mean? Like what do we mean by recognition? So an owned investment property shall be recognized as an asset when and only when. So just write recognition.
Okay.
And recognition, then you can say
So hapo kwa recognition. Hello?
Yes, I'm getting you.
So hapo kwa recognition.
Yes.
So is there anything I need to write there?
Let me check. An investment shall be recognized as an asset when and only when. So we want when is an investment property recognized as an asset? You can be, of which there are just 2 points. So we just write those 2 points. Hello.
Yes.
Have you gotten my point?
Yeah. So you said under recognition,
Under
you say that
like
it can
when
only be categorized as an
recognize.
asset when and only when.
So when and only when it is probable that the future economic benefit that are associated with the investment property will flow to the entity.
Mm-hmm.
And so you can just write. Are you able to see it?
Let me try. So the first one is, it is probable that the future economic benefits
Yeah, that are associated with the investment property
associated with the investment property will flow to the entity.
will flow to the entity.
That is point number one.
That is point number one. Point number two, the cost. That is when the cost of the investment property can be measured reliably, like without doubt. The cost can be measured without doubt.
Can be measured
Can be
without
measured.
any
Measure
doubt
can be, yeah, without doubt
or reliably.
or reliably.
Okay, I have captured those.
Yeah. So measurement at recognition. So recognition, write 1, then measurement at recognition, write 2, then you will also
Measurement at recognition.
at recognition 2. That one name number is 2.
Oh, so the first one was recognition.
Yeah.
So the second one is measurement at recognition.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So measurement at recognition.
Then we can say, so you can say that an owned investment property, remember we are now talking about owned, we are not talking about investment property. Remember there were 2
Okay.
things here.
Mm.
There was owned occupied property, then investment property. So this is saying, this one is in occupied investment property. Where is it? Mm, we have yeah, we have captured recognition. So measurement at recognition An owned investment property shall be measured initially at its cost. Have you written that?
Initially at its cost.
Yeah, then you can also write another point.
Mm-hmm.
You can also write another point that transaction cost shall be included in the initial measurement.
Transaction cost
Shall be included
shall be included in the initial measurement.
shall be included
Mm-hmm.
in the initial measurement. Transaction
Okay.
costs shall be included in the initial measurement. Then another point,
Mm-hmm.
the cost of a purchased investment property comprises its purchase price. The cost of a purchased investment property
Mm-hmm. The cost of a purchased investment property.
uh, the cost of a purchased investment property comprises its purchase price and any directly attributable expenditure. So we have to break that one into
Purchase price and
purchase price and any directly attributable expenditure.
directly attributable expenditure.
Directly attributable expenditure.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can see directly attributable expenditure includes directly attributable expenditure includes professional fees for legal services, professional fees for legal services, property transfer taxes, and other transaction costs. Professional fees for legal services,
Property
property transfer taxes, property transfer taxes, and
transfer taxes.
and transaction costs.
Now, can I ask you something here?
Yes, ask me.
Now, when we have said that measurement of recognition, an owned investment property shall be measured initially at its cost, and then you said again that transaction cost
Uh,
shall be included in the initial measurement. So,
mm,
up to there, let me ask something. For
mm,
example,
mm,
maybe I have uh, I have a piece of land. For example, let me say I have an investment property.
yeah.
So when when it is given an initial cost, like the cost of owning it,
Mm,
then maybe let's use land for example.
mm,
You realize that maybe these surveyors, they will tell you that they have to come, they measure the land,
mm, mm.
and then there is a fee that you have to pay.
Yes.
Then again, we continued and said that the cost of a purchased investment property comprises its purchase price and any directly attributable expenditure. And directly attributable expenditure includes professional fee for legal services. Then we have the property transfer taxes and transaction cost. So there is some fee that these guys usually charge. I don't know how they call it, but it has a name. There's a fee that sometimes they charge when maybe you want to do a transfer
You want to
of
transfer
maybe a parcel of land. There's a specific fee they charge. There's also, by the way, they charge a lot of things.
very many.
So all these fees that these guys charge, and then they so-called the professional fee.
So the professional fees for legal services, for example,
Mm,
you know when a land is being like when you are obtaining a land,
mm.
you must have a lawyer.
Oh, advocate, ni lazima.
Ni lazima for you to get
Mm,
like for it to be done in a way that is recognized by the law of Kenya.
mm. Yes.
There should be an advocate. So that is now what we call legal service.
Oh, so that is the legal fee that will be charged.
Yeah. Then property transfer taxes. There are always some taxes that are associated with it,
Oh,
and other transaction costs maybe
so those
traveling.
are they called the directly attributable expenditure.
Exactly.
Okay.
Then measurement after. So let's just check that one after. Then we will just call it a night. I'm going to share like now. Let's just go. You know, when do we have another class of financial reporting and analysis based on si uliziandika
Mm,
mahali?
niliziandika pale unless I check.
So just check it so that I schedule it now. You know it is.
Let me give me. I think you can check it from my end easily. Venye niliziandika kwa WhatsApp.
Let me check.
Mm. I think ni ile yenye mefungua ya kwanza.
Ya kwanza hii. Ya nimeiona.
No.
So company law on every Monday and Thursday.
Yes.
Financial reporting and analysis every Tuesday. Tuesday ni leo.
Ni leo, yes.
And Saturday inakuja.
Yeah.
So let me just schedule it.
Okay.
Tuko na class ingine kesho, si ndio? Financial management. So let me schedule hii ya kesho.
Okay.
Meanwhile tumalize na ile part inabaki kwanza ndio to schedule.
Okay.
Measurement after recognition, you can write that.
So that is part C. Or number 3.
How are we numbering them? 1, 2, 3
Like the first one was recognition.
Yeah, which is 1.
The second one was measurement at recognition.
Yeah.
And then no. But the second was measurement after or at.
At.
Oh.
At.
Then so this one that you want me to write is measurement after.
After recognition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, so you can write accounting policy like now how that incident, how it is accounted for.
Okay.
So measurement after recognition, then accounting policy, then you write an entity may, you can put colon. An entity may choose either the fair value. Remember, fair value I told you is the actual value.
Yes.
Like the actual maybe before uweke sijui mambo na depreciation sijui nini, so the actual value.
Okay.
Yeah, so an entity may choose either the fair value model, can choose either the fair value model or the cost model
Mm-hmm.
or the cost model for all investment property.
Yes.
Uh, where are we? Investment property backing liabilities that pay, backing liabilities that pay
Backing
a
liabilities.
liabilities that pay a return linked directly.
That pay.
That pay that pay a return linked directly to the fair value.
Ni explain hapo kidogo.
Oh,
Ama tuandike tu, niandike tu nimalize ndio ni explain.
andika hiyo the second one. The second one, may choose either the fair value model.
Hii inaishia hapo.
Hiyo inaacha hizo zingine na I don't even see them adding sense, so up to there is just fine.
Okay.
Yes, then choose either the fair value model or the cost model for all other property, other investment property. Choose either the fair value
Uh-huh.
choose either the fair value model or the cost model for all other investment property, regardless of the choice made. Choose either the fair value model or the cost model for all other investment property,
Mm-hmm. Regardless.
regardless of the choice made.
I'm there.
Mm, uh, we have fair value model, then cost model, then transfer. So
Mm-hmm.
I just want to give you a very slight a slight assignment
Mm-hmm.
that let me snipe this. Let me take a snipe of this part that we are to check from fair
Mm-hmm.
value. Then I share with you. So you are going to just at your free time you are going to check it. Then we will get back and discuss. So after
That is
from fair
that is the
value,
measurement after recognition, ama?
your measurement after recognition I'm explaining. So
Mm-hmm.
this from fair value model
Uh-huh.
is what I want to take a photo, or can you screenshot from your end?
It's a bit tricky because it is not
very
opening
clear.
the full
Oh, so let me just
the full page.
let me just do it for you, then I share.
Okay.
Ten days of prayer inaanza nini? Ai, ai, ai. Lazima nijipange. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm inquiring something here with a friend.
Oh, no problem.
Let me snipe this one. So at your free time, you will just be able to check it.
Okay.
In case you have a question.
Umenitumia?
Nakutumia tu bado I'm sniping.
Okay.
I'm taking a snipe. By the way, how is Migori?
Yeah?
How is Migori?
Jua inawaka?
Oh, ni jua. Jua
Jua
is.
imewaka leo na jana iliwaka kidogo, lakini leo imekuwa kali sana.
Oh, but jua
Mm.
unajua, it is good now. It is now that land is to be prepared.
Yeah, but there is also another thing that I noticed
Eh,
kwa hii maneno ya nini? Hii maneno ya Kasnet.
eh,
The centers in Kisumu ni mbili tu.
ni mbili.
Oh.
So Kisumu ndio iko karibu na wewe.
Okay, I saw Kisi but I never wanted Kisi because sikujua like Kisi sijui mtu yote. At least Kisumu I have a lot of friends. I can survive
Oh, yeah,
for the
sure.
days
Sure.
nikifanya mtihani. Mm.
Sure, hiyo ni ukweli.
So that is why I chose Kisumu,
Oh,
but I didn't choose Nini. I
mi
didn't choose Kisumu Poli.
mi sasa hiyo Kisumu Poly ndio imekuwa my center.
The last exam I did at Kisumu Poli, but
Eh.
sikufurahishwa na kelele na
Oh, sure,
yao
sure, sure.
hao watoto
Oh, watoto bado
na venye wanapiga kelele hapo mbaya sana, hata
wako
diri mtihani
wako na kiherehere bado hawajielewi.
na wako wengi.
Na wako wengi, sure.
Mm.
Hiyo inaeleweka. Wali kuna time they wali nini, they were demonstrating. I think sijui shida ilikuwa ni nini.
Oh, they were demonstrating.
They had a strike until they were suspended.
That is late last year.
Late last year.
Oh,
Mm.
it's a bit tricky, but I don't know why. I don't know why they. By the way, some time back, I'm told some time back,
Eh.
exam was being done at KCA.
Oh,
I'm told kitambo
zote
sana. Exam
zote
was being done at KCA
zote, like the
and
entire.
Kisumu Poli. So I don't know what happened later
Oh,
that made them change the exam center from KCA to University of Nairobi.
oh,
Hiyo branch ya Kisumu.
oh, maybe kulikuwa na some malpractice.
Yeah, could be.
Eh, there's a possibility, unajua.
There's a friend of mine
Eh.
that okay, by the time tulikuwa tunajoin yeye alikuwa anafanya I think CPA4.
Oh.
So this guy, I don't know what he did
Eh.
in the process.
Eh.
Sijui, I think alikuwa na some exam malpractice, alafu ni kama hao invigilators, sijui ilikuwa supervisor ndiye aliandika report.
Eh.
So nilisikia sijui alikuwa suspended, sijui something like that.
Eh.
Like angeweza endelea.
Ukipatikana ni hivyo, we kuisha wewe.
Oh,
Ukipatikana CPA, ukipatikana ukicheat,
eh.
you are done. Yani your money, those money you have spent there are they are just going like that. They don't want you, like they don't tolerate nonsense.
No, let me ask you.
Yeah.
So they suspend you or they cancel the certificates that you've achieved?
There is a possibility they can cancel. You know, they deal with that thing like that is what, even if you have certificate, that is how you obtained it.
Oh, so there is an assumption that you obtained it through that.
If it's something you have been thriving with.
Oh, but that guy is working in the county government of Homa Bay. I don't know how he got that job.
Oh.
He's working. Currently, he's working there. Sijui alipata kazi 2023.
Oh.
Mtu aliniambia alipata kazi huko na bado anafanya huko. So I don't know. I don't know how his case is. You see some things like that pia. Mtu hawezi open up a discuss na wewe.
Hawezi jua
Juu rafiki wake mwingine ndiye aliniambia hiyo story.
Oh. Hiyo nayo ni moto. Kama ni ngumu.
Imekubali? Au bado
bado
inasumbua?
Zinakuja hata I've sent some too.
Oh,
I've sent some too.
okay.
You can open them to confirm
Okay.
to me whether they are clear.
Okay, let me do that.
Just do that. As I finalize, I'm sending the last one.
Let me try and open them. Yeah, I think they are visible.
Okay. So
And the first one that I've opened is visible. Let me open the second one.
let me send the very last one.
No, this is the third one. Sorry. No, I've opened the first one. Let me see if I can open the second one. And then again, I've seen the third one.
So there are four. I'm also sending the last one.
Oh, the second one. I don't know.
I took it clear.
No, I think I'll be able to see.
Okay.
In case maybe there is some part that is missing, I'll let you know.
So
Let
so
me check. The third one is still loading. Yeah, I think all of them are clear.
okay.
I'm
So
able to see all of them.
we can get back to that hour. We were talking about
So these
measurement
ones that you've
after.
sent me, I need to read them, understand, and then
Yeah.
when we meet next time for this class, I will present.
Uh, you just
Uh,
check. You just check through them. So in case there is something haujaelewa,
uh-huh.
then you will let me know so that I expound.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there's this one you told you wanted me to expound. This one of recognition, measurement after recognition.
Yes. This one that measurement after recognition.
Yeah, accounting policy.
Yes, under accounting policy.
So here,
Mm-hmm.
actually, you see, what are you able to see on my screen?
Let me open it. No, I'm
You're
not able to see anything except the video details. I can't see.
oh, so I'm uploading
Mm.
like after doing like now I'm recording a video.
Okay.
So I always like after recording them, I post them in my YouTube account. So after I've uploaded them,
Mm.
then now we share the link. So through the link, you are able to watch it again.
Oh,
So that is what actually you are seeing there. So let me get back there.
okay.
So measurement after recognition, accounting policy. Then so an entity may choose either the fair value. I told you fair value is the actual value.
The actual value, yes.
The actual value before even taking into consideration taxes and even depreciation. So choose either the fair value model or the cost model. Cost model, you can refer to it as cost model. Cost, we just from the word itself, cost we know that is the price of something.
Yes.
Then when we talk of cost model, so cost model is something like maybe about future cost. Like now in this case,
Mm-hmm.
let me see cost model. Cost model. Cost modeling is just as I was putting it.
Mm-hmm.
So like it may be personal costs, maybe machine hours, maybe the cost you like cost when you use a machine, the time that you have used the machine, that cost. Then there is personal cost and various other necessary expenses like there is an expense that is very necessary. For example, in the case of the land,
Mm-hmm.
a cost like legal service. When a land is transferred without engaging an advocate,
Mm.
that is very dangerous. You may stand a chance of losing that land.
Yes.
And even land surveyor, you have to also pay land surveyor.
Yeah.
So those are some of the, like, those are the costs, like they are called, like, is like a strategic processing that revolve around future costs. Like, for example, when now, for example, I want to buy a land,
Mm.
you know I have to, like, I have mtu mwenye ananiuzia land alishaniambia bei ya land,
Mm.
hadi sasa hiyo pesa ya land, bei ya land niko nayo. Then sasa, in the process of transferring this land,
Mm-hmm.
there are some people who are very key that should be available, like chief,
Yes.
land surveyor,
Mm.
an
The
advocate.
advocate.
And all those people, the way I'm mentioning their name, they want money. You have to give them something.
Yes.
Yeah.
There must be a fee.
Chief hawezi kuja ati wakishamaliza anakuambia wewe leta tu asante.
There must be some fee that you will have to
Yeah,
pay at
because
the end of
maybe
the day.
kama walitoka mbali, walipanda pikipiki ama such like things.
Mm.
So it's just about that. And the other one is what? So, like, choose either the fair value. Fair value is the actual, or the cost model. Like, that is now fair value from some other expected costs. For
Mm.
all investment property, backing liabilities that pay a return linked directly to the fair value, or returns from specific assets. Just what we have said initially there is just enough. Then choose either the fair value model or the cost model for all other investment property, regardless of the. So you have to apply that. Like, you have to apply either the fair value, the actual value, or the cost model. Cost model, I think, see, I've explained it, you have understood, for all other
Yes.
investment properties. So just like something of
Mm.
that kind. So maybe if something is,
Now,
yeah, yeah,
mm, the fair value,
yeah,
for example, if you don't have enough knowledge
yeah,
on the processes that you have to undertake in order to maybe acquire a piece of land,
yeah,
and then you go for a fair value
uh,
model.
uh,
So it means that maybe you shall have assumed
yeah, and
these are the people that are
uh,
supposed to be involved in the whole process,
to help you,
and then
to help you
and then
say,
you go ahead and maybe pay for this piece of land,
yeah, yeah,
being that you are rushing the maybe the fair value or the actual value
yeah, yeah,
is maybe low,
yeah,
something like that.
yeah, yeah.
And then by the end of the day, you shall have paid the money, but you've not followed the right procedure.
Those people, they, even if they are people who are learned, they are
Mm.
celebrating because they know after few years they will turn you down.
So which means maybe at some point, maybe you may be asked to maybe some advantages over cost value
Yeah,
over
yeah,
cost
yeah,
value model
yeah,
over
surely.
fair value
Yeah, yeah,
model.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Which is very easy, just the way we have expounded.
Okay.
Yeah, so that one marks the end of our class.
Okay.
Yeah, for today, unless maybe you have a question.
No. With me, in case maybe I have not understood some part,
The
I like asking like immediately before we proceed,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Please
so
just,
that tusonge mbele
yeah,
pamoja.
kabisa. So acha
Mm.
tumalizane tu na theory. Theory pia ni muhimu kuelewa, because they will now, when we start doing the arithmetic,
Mm.
there is how, if you fail to understand the theory,
Yes.
it will be hard to understand even the arithmetic.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so let's just get to them just intensely so that we get to acquaint ourselves well.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's end there. And I
Okay.
think,
Now, before maybe you conclude,
yeah,
so it means that when we start arithmetics, it means that I would need a scientific calculator, right?
yeah, we need a calculator.
So